Access to instant hot or cold water has never been easier thanks to Avalon's bottleless water coolers. In a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to an endless supply of great tasting water. First, locate your cold water supply for your refrigerator line. Turn the cold water valves to the off position. Next, cut the PE tubing that is currently inserted into the refrigerator and insert the three-way plastic adapter between the cut tubing. Then insert the PE tubing that is supplied with the water cooler into the remaining opening of the three-way plastic adapter. Now we're going to flush both filters before we install them. First, twist the sediment filter into the provided filter flushing adapter by rotating it clockwise. Next, take the open end of the PE tubing that is now connected to your water supply and insert it into the left inlet hole of the filter flushing adapter in the direction of the arrow. Hold the filter in place over a sink or a bucket and turn on the water supply. Allow the water to flow through the adapter for approximately 2 minutes, then repeat these steps with the carbon filter. Now we are ready to complete our installation. Remove the plug from the water inlet located on the back of the unit by pressing the push connect ring that is behind the plug. Insert the open end of the PE tubing from the refrigerator line into the water inlet. Open the cabinet door of the unit and twist the filters into the filter head by rotating them clockwise. The sediment filter should be on the left and the carbon filter should be on the right. Now it's time to turn both valves at the cold water source behind your refrigerator back to the on position. Then open the cabinet door of the front of the unit and turn on the valve that is located to the left of the filters. Now plug the power cord into a grounded wall outlet and allow the water to fill in the tanks for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, dispense a drop of water from the hot and cold spouts to test if the inner tanks have filled. And finally, activate the heating and cooling switches located on the back of your unit and you're ready to go.